Here we are in Georgetown. We replaced this air conditioning unit to the customer about 2 years ago. This house was built in the 70s, late 70s. So whenever we came over, we found out there was water leakage coming from the unit and a very poor ductwork ran that up here. So we replaced all the ductwork. We ran new ducts, balanced out the air accordingly to the house. Now we have proper air balance throughout the whole house, and we also, just like I said, we replaced this unit with a brand new unit 2 years ago. So everything's been taken care of. Our customer is very happy now. They have a 10-year warranty, parts warranty on this unit, 10 years labor warranty on the system, and also everything's all permits, all codes have been um, um, put in the system. So everything's all nice and tucked and working how it should.